been nervous to wash them. Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So we are headed to Central Park. Here's my fit. Canadian tuxedo, sneaks, sunnies, and bag. And we're gonna go have lunch, walk around, take Mr. B. I just sunscreened his little tush. And here we go. Quick outfit of the day. I barely have a voice today, but I want to show you my outfit. I didn't do any hair or makeup, so I compensated with like a cute, fun, more dressy outfit. I feel like I should be in the Cotswolds picking strawberries, or I don't know, gardening, riding my horse. That's the vibe. This dress is from Iris Ink, I think. I will link it. And then I tied this bow in the back, actually, or this belt, to give it some shape, because before it was giving like Ebenezer Scrooge. Then I did these black boots, my favorite hair bow. It's like cloth, it's really thick, beautiful. And then my Dior saddle, and I am late and my camera's dying, so I gotta go, but that's the outfit. Hello guys, happy Tuesday. It is, started off as a beautiful day. It looks cloudy, but I don't think it's supposed to rain. Let me just check because I'm about to run out and that would kind of suck. Yeah, just cloudy, but it's 60 degrees and I'm headed to the park. I'm gonna bring Brooks to the dog park. Oh my God, look at him right now, hold on. Hello, Angel. You are so sweet. Anyway, let me show you my fit. I think I'm going to grab a chai tea latte on the way. I've been loving, I make my coffee at home every day. I use the Nespresso, this one, the white Nespresso machine. Keep my pods in here. This is the pod I've been using. Scuro, can you see that? Scuro. It's a double espresso, I believe. Yeah, double espresso. This is the color. And Dan makes me coffee every morning. And if he goes to work, he leaves it in the fridge. So I drink my coffee at home, iced. And so I usually don't buy a coffee, but I love going out and buying a beverage, especially when I'm like hanging around the park. And I've been loving getting a chai tea, iced chai tea. Actually, I went and got one at this place, Handcraft, on the Upper East Side the other day when we went to the, Central Park. It was the best chai I've ever had. I'm like, oh, I wish they had more. I just looked it up if there was one close, but there's not. So I think I'm gonna go to 7 grams. Their chai is pretty delicious, and I want like a little, I'm feeling so hungry today. So I'm gonna do that, bring Brooks to the park, get a few things done while I'm out. And I just like to walk. I like to make sure, since I work from home, I like to get my steps in, be outside, walk with my dog, go to the dog park. Especially it's nicer out and it's nice today. So I'm gonna go. Did I show you my fit? Skims cropped t-shirt. These cotton t-shirts from Skims are the best shirts ever. They just fit so well. They're like, I love the sleeve length. The material is amazing. Then I have this New York sweatshirt over my shoulders. I will link that as well. And then I have these oversized Levi's on, so they're very comfortable, good for the dog park. And these beater shoes. These are actually Steve Madden. The other day I was walking and this girl walked past me and she was like, oh my god, I love your golden gooses. And usually if it's not, I'll usually be like, oh my gosh, they're not real, or like whatever. I like to tell a girl, I'm like, here's the link. But she zoomed right past me and I was with a group of people and so was she. So I was like, thanks. And my friend was actually wearing golden gooses, so he felt butthurt. But these are Steve Madden, baby. But they're like my beater shoes. They're my dog park shoes. And then these are Dior Sunnies. And yeah, let's go. I'm hungry. I want to be outside. Let's go. Let's get Brooks ready. He's gonna be excited. Brooks, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go to the dog park? You love the dog park, my baby. Do you love the dog park? I usually bring him in his carrier, but ooh, stretch! Look at this stretch! Look at this delicious stretch. Puppy voice, I apologize. I usually bring him in his carrier, but I'm just like, I think I just want to put him in this for today. So let's get your collar. I mean, no, not collar. Let's get your harness, baby. Don't run from me. He loves to go outside, but he always runs away from his harness. I don't know why. Come here. Are you ready? This. Hold on, my little muffin. Hold on. Oh my god, you're so cute. Okay, one sec. And I need to get his water. Hold on. All right, we are ready to go. Let's go to the park. Okay, see you later. Today is the day. Our couch cushions have been getting pretty grimy and we've been nervous to wash them because you are able to just take them off and wash them, but we don't want to ruin the fabric, but they are pretty dirty, so I think today's the day. I don't like, look at that, Brooks's paw. I think I want to maybe do like one test one and then do them all, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'll do a test. Okay, I'm gonna try this one, see how it goes. Okay, so I did like the small cushions and I feel like it washed beautifully. Also, I did my nails, this yellow color. Can you see? Oh, there we go. It's called Pure Cantaloupe by D&D. And it's probably the worst manicure I've ever done, but you can't tell, so whatever. I was chaotic. I dropped my candle during, it shattered on the floor. Here are the remaining pieces. I'm very sad about it. This is a CB2 candle that I loved. And it was really expensive, so let me know. But it's okay. We're all right. We're doing fine. I'm now trying to decide how I want to dry them. So I hung them up for a little bit to just kind of like, you know, but I think I'm gonna try either the no heat or I did hand wash. I think maybe no heat because I don't want to change the shape, the feeling, or peel it. Like I just really am scared. So let's do it. Brooks is also chilling. How you doing, baby? But I'm gonna need to take this cushion, so he's gonna be mad at me. So here is the color if you want to like screenshot. Pure Cantaloupe. It looks like this. Cute, huh?